Hi, my name is Paula. Today, I'll tell you about my experience with his secret obsession and whether it actually helped me. I also have some important alerts. The first thing is to make sure you buy his secret obsession from the official website. I've heard of people buying it from other websites and not receiving the product. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. You can click there later and see more details about the book. But first, let me tell you my story and if his secret obsession worked for me. What I really like about his secret obsession is that inside this book, there is authentic and scientifically proven information that helps us connect with men, that helps us know how men are thinking, and what they actually want, what they are actually obsessed with. Now, I think I really understand more about men and their desires, and I'm telling you this because I think your relationship can change as well. Every change starts when we look inside ourselves and also when we perceive the other person, when we know what the other person is thinking, what the other person wants, and that's what changed the game for me. So, today, Paul is very different with me, and our relationship is very different as well because, as I said, I am different. So, I strongly recommend his secret obsession, and the price is so cheap compared to what it will give you and the transformation it can bring to your relationships and your life. James Bauer, the author of his secret obsession, is a psychologist who really understands today's problems. He worked as a relationship coach for more than 12 years, so I really trust him, and I'm really grateful for him for buying this product and for changing my life with Paul. I had a complicated relationship. We were dating for about a year and a half, but I always thought that he didn't pay attention to me, that he ignored me, and that he looked at other women. I was always so insecure about my relationship. The problem was that I loved him so much, and that was making me frustrated because I felt that I was in a toxic relationship. I felt that I gave more than he gave me, and that was making me really sad. Last year, I thought he was with another woman, and that tore my heart apart. So, I tried to talk to him, and he told me that I was crazy, that he did love me. I was desperate because I didn't want to lose him, and that's when I discovered his secret obsession. I wanted to record this video to tell you guys a little bit more about his secret obsession. So, yes, I strongly recommend it, and the price is so cheap compared to what it will bring you. It's important to say that you also have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, when you buy it, remember you have a guarantee, and as I said, make sure you buy it from the official website. If you don't like it for any reason or if it doesn't work for you, you can get your money back, but I'm sure you'll like it as well as I did. I really hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, please let your comment down below. I'll be really glad to help you. I really wish that you can transform your relationships the way I did with mine. Thanks for watching. A friend of mine told me she bought this book and participated in this program, which ended up changing her life. She started seeing men in a different way and started seeing things that she never saw before after reading his secret obsession. She changed, and her relationship started changing as well. I bought his secret obsession about 2 months ago, and the game changed for me. Paul, my boyfriend, started giving me much more attention because I changed the way I acted with him after reading his secret obsession and learning so much about how men really think, how men obsess about women. I changed my attitudes, and after changing my attitudes, things worked out for me.